We are here at LEGOLAND Florida's hotel, the Pirate Island Hotel. We are ready to check in. We cannot wait to build and play and have some fun. How cool is all the theming? Everything is awesome, and we can't wait to see what it's like inside. Molly and Cannon, where are we? LEGOLAND Hotel! We just checked in and we are building. The minute you walk in, you are in a Lego dream. Look at all of this. Legos everywhere. A whole wall of minifigures. It's amazing. There's even Legos on the floor. So we're gonna go find our room and then we're gonna check out the pool. We are on the adventure floor with adventure themed rooms. All right, let's go find ours. You do. So when you walk into the room, the first thing you see is the kids area. They get their own little bedroom nook. It has bunk beds and a third bed underneath, a trundle, so it can sleep 3. They have Lego details on everything, and there's also their own TV and this fun little spinning tic-tac-toe game, a locked chest that has treasure in it. There is this dividing space in the center of the room that has so much storage. And of course, there's your very own bucket of Lego and Duplo blocks that you can build with in your room. And then there's the bathroom, which has even more Lego adventure details. There are Lego minifigures on the shower curtain, and there are even Lego themed toiletries. And then there is a space for the parents. There is a king-sized bed with nightstands on either side. Of course, there is more Lego decor and details. Look at those. And there is a desk area with another TV. So a really spacious room that is perfect for families. All right, we have made it down to the pool. It is fabulous. Look at all of these floating Legos that you can play with. Great area. There's a fun water slide. The kids are already in the water and having a blast. There's Cannon. I think Molly's headed to the water slide. And one thing I think is great is that they offer these little life vests over here for kids who might not be a great swimmer. So Molly is wearing one of those. And it's just a great relaxing area to cool off and have some awesome fun. There she is. She's gonna go down this big old slide. Was it fun, Molly? So the slide is really cold. She went and jumped in the pool to warm up, and now she's back. Woo! Okay, go do it one more time.
Hey man, give it a look, okay? Thank you.
So cold. All right, famous thing, let's go dry off. Apparently we're not drying off. Come on, guys, let's go in so we can build some Legos. Gotta hold it on there. Try it again. Woo! Get some towels. Close it back. Check out this amazing playground right here in the lobby, and of course there's bricks for building. So cool. And like Cannon said, they've glued it all together so you can't break it, but you can build. The Lego pirate himself is out in the lobby, and he is meeting everybody who comes around. And of course, there's a gift shop. So many fun sunglasses. Obviously, there are Lego sets that you can buy, but also keychains and stationery, robes, slippers, t-shirts, pajamas, you name it, they've got it. So they have all different levels of Lego sets. They have different price ranges. They have Duplo and obviously the regular sized Legos. They have all different complex and really cool down to super simple. They even have seasonal ones. So fun. And of course, you gotta act the part while you're here. And then let's check out Bricks, which is the all-you-can-eat buffet here at LEGOLAND Hotel. Bricks Family Restaurant. So there's some soup options. It's dinner time. Obviously, it's some desserts and some bread. This all looks so good. Lots of choices. Great varieties and salad. Yum. We've got some more salads over here. And then we've got some cheeses and a kid-friendly buffet here, right at their level. So many great things, and this is at Bricks. So just a hop, skip, and a jump away, literally from where we stayed last night, is LEGOLAND Florida.